Hey business people, this is Brian Evans with BT Web Group, where we believe that better marketing builds a better business. We're going to start a brand new episode here called Show and Tell Tuesday to kick off our new year. We hope you enjoy. This show and tell tip for you is a tool that we use in our business every single day. It's called Glip, G-L-I-P, and one of our marketing managers, Holly Kyle, is going to explain it to you right now. If you enjoy the video, please share it, please subscribe, please like, please give us comments below so we can continue to provide more useful resources and show and tell tips for you going forward. Have a great day.
Hi, this is Holly Kyle with BT Web Group, here to share one of our favorite tools here in the office. I think you'll all agree that we get enough email, and so often it becomes really cumbersome to communicate back and forth. You're waiting on replies. Sometimes the threads get mixed up, and sometimes email gremlins just catch something and you miss it altogether. So we found a way to collaborate amongst ourselves through Glip, G-L-I-P. Now, Glip is a great collaboration tool. It allows you to share communications. It allows you to share files. It allows you to keep track of tasks. So pretty much anything you need to do, you can do it collaborating through Glip. One of the best parts about it is it's absolutely free. So you'll want to make sure that you check this out and start using it for your team. Now, as far as what you can use it for, there's a ton of different ways you can use it, but I'll show you real quick how we do. So first of all, you've got individuals that you can communicate with. You see here over on the left, we've got people in the company, and you see you've got green dots and you've got gray dots. Well, green dots indicate people that are online right now, so you can communicate in real time. Just a moment ago, in fact, I communicated with Mary confirming our meeting for Wednesday at 11:30. Mary was online. She sent me a note right back, and I knew that Wednesday was confirmed. There's no worry about going back and forth, waiting to see if Mary got the email and just wondering. We get to resolve it right away and move on with our day. Now, you see here we've got teams. Teams are a great way to organize projects, and you don't need to include everybody in your company on a project. So when you organize a team on Glip, you can just include those people that are part of the project. And when you're done with the project or the team, you can archive it. Now, even archiving it, all the information is stored from the past, and you can bring it and restore it at any time in the future. So if I click here, you see we've got tons of teams that we've archived. I can just restore them, and all of the notes, files, everything is still right there for me. We also have groups, and groups are a great way to organize communications by department. So if you've got a specific department, sales teams, marketing groups, executive board members for a nonprofit, and they're not project specific, you might want to put them in a group, and you can communicate amongst yourselves. And again, not worry about texting or remembering people's emails. You can do it all within the Glip framework. Now, Glip is available both on your computer as an app and on your phone, and it integrates with a number of great tools, which you can see here in this list. So Google Calendar, Dropbox, Evernote, Google Drive, OneDrive, MailChimp, Salesforce, pretty much anything you can think of, it will integrate with, and if it doesn't, you can just let them know, and they will let you know if they can make that happen. So we use it to keep our tasks all in order, and we use the colors to indicate which are more important and more priority. And we have the calendar there if you want to look by day or by month or by week. You can do all of those. Here are all the files that we've uploaded. You can see for each team or group how many files are in there. So if you knew that you had a specific file in a particular group, you could go straight there and download it, or you could look by type, date, or name and sort those files that way. Notes, you might want to keep agendas in there. There's a number of different ways to use the notes, and you can type straight in there just like a Word document. And then links, you can share those and then sort those by title, by domain, by recent, and you can do a list or summary, either way. So again, there's lots of ways to use the Glip tool for communication and collaboration, whether you're in one office or scattered across the globe. Hope you'll check it out. This is Holly Kyle signing off. We will see you on the Glip side.